1.
Make or download something. Make the part you want transparent a separate mesh. Open its texture. Save a see-through copy as PNG for glass. Save a blank copy as PNG too. In Sims 4 Studio, create 3D mesh. Object. Look up plant. Grab this one. Export mesh.
3.
In Blender, open your design. File. Append. Select your sim plant. Object. Grab all Studio Mesh files. Append.
4.
From the original Sims version, select the glass. Tab, A, X, delete vertices. Join your glass portion to it. Repeat for the solid part. Re-import mesh. Import texture to the texture, glass texture to the glass texture. Warehouse. Replace all DSTs that don't have your texture on it with your blank. Done. Oh my, I can see right through you.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.